Hey, what's going on, investors? Dennis here, and today we are doing our Cash App portfolio update. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how our portfolio is doing in this portfolio of things and whatnot. So you can see right over here, we are currently investing in the account. We have $25 invested. We're up $3.43 on this portfolio, which is awesome. So bringing our total at $28.43. Now, if you haven't already been following along, one, make sure you're subscribed. But two, what we're doing here is putting in $1 every single time we are making these videos. So I'm not doing like $1 a day or $1 a week per stock that we have, but I'm essentially just doing $5, which is $1 per stock that we own because we've got 5 of them every time I make these videos. So you're actually seeing this happening in real time every single time we invest. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this process. I'm really just kind of doing this to showcase the platform, to showcase, just kind of getting started with investing. So if you're new to this stuff and you like Cash App or you like the way it looks, I'll have a link for them in the show notes down below. Does help support the channel, so I appreciate it, but it gives you a nice bonus and it gets you into investing, which is awesome. Like, I really, really do like that. Or you can check out other investing portfolios that I have on this channel, which use different apps, and maybe you guys can figure out which one works best for you. That's always a great way to go too. So you can see here over the last day, we're up about 1.82% or 51 cents. Over the last week, we're down about 5%, a little over 5%, so which is $1.58. And then over the last month, we're up about almost 13%, but some of us know that's mainly from one whole stock here. And then in the year, it's kind of a little skewed there for us, but right there, we're just going to stick to the last month. So let's see what we got invested here. So this is our portfolio here. We got Upstart, we got Square, we got Chewy, we got Neo, and we got EXP World. These are the 5 stocks that we went with here today. I mention this every single time, but I just kind of invest in these stocks, except for Square. All the rest of them, I'm just kind of putting money in without doing a lot of research. I actually own Square in another portfolio, so I'm pretty adamant with that one, but I thought it was cool to invest in Square since Cash App is owned by Square, so it's kind of like a little cool thing there. But you can see here how we're doing with each one, especially when you consider that we have 25 bucks invested, and so each one here, there's Upstart and Square that are actually in the positive right now. Chewy, Neo, and EXP World are down currently as well. But no worries, we're still investing. We're going to be putting in $1 in each one of these here today, which is going to be great. It's going to move the needle forward for us. So let's check out Upstart here. Like I said, it's our best performer, but over the last week, it's actually down 16%. So how crazy to be down 16% and still be positive $3.47 with a $5 investment? That's insane to me. That's pretty cool. So you can see here, currently we own 0.069 shares. So the way this works is it's fractional shares, which is really cool. Great way to get started with investing, by the way. So we don't have to spend the full money for buying one share. We just buy in at $1 at a time. 0.069 is essentially like 7% of a share, of one share. So just kind of look at it that way. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and do our first purchase here. So we're going to do $1. Click on next here if I can and let this go through. I think the market's already closed. Yeah, the market's already closed, so this won't go in until tomorrow. It shows 6:30 my time because I'm in Arizona. But you can see here we got that all going through. There's no fees because it's free to invest in, by the way, so really cool there. And then we're going to go ahead and click on schedule right over here. So we have that taken care of, so that one is good to go. So next up is going to be Square. You can see it had a really good day here, a really good week so far. So even though we're only up 74 cents, if you look at the last month, we had a nice little dip. And so, we bought up here and then the dip happened. So that's a normal thing. No worries there. We own 0.022 shares, so a little over 2% of a single share. So we're going to go ahead and click on buy. And then this one, as always, it will show us that this is associated with Cash App, which is cool when it pops up here. So you can see Cash App Investing LLC is a subsidiary of Square. So let's go ahead and schedule that. Also, too, while we're doing this, make sure you guys hit that like button down below. Really does go a long way when it comes to these videos, and it's entirely free to do so. So let's go ahead and go to Chewy now. So with Chewy, we're down about 11 cents here. We have 0.06 shares, so 6% again. So we're going to go ahead and click on buy. And let's get another $1 going in on this portfolio here, or stock, I should say. So we got that one going in, scheduled up as well. Now, before we continue on, if you are somebody who needs to refinance their student loans because maybe you are paying a little too much in your interest, check out my friends Ernest. I'll have a link for them in the show notes down below. They will help you refinance your student loans entirely for free. And it takes only about 2 minutes to check out your rates and can honestly save you thousands of dollars. And you can use that money to invest more into the stock market or extra money into your pocket every single month. And again, I'll have that link in the show notes down below so you can go ahead and refinance your student loans. And again, with these stocks, I'm not doing a lot of research because I already had to do a lot of research with the main stocks I have with M1 Finance. So with these ones, I'm just kind of throwing some money in here, free will and enjoying my life with this $5-6 that I have invested with these stocks. But you can see with NEO, we're down 22 cents. We own 0.124 shares. So this one actually we own the most as far as quantity. Obviously, dollar amount, we are the same across the board for the most part. But this is a little over 12%, almost 12.5% of one share. So NEO might be the first stock we own a full share on with this progress here. But there we go here. And who knows, maybe in the future we'll start bumping this money up in that regard. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. I don't know. I kind of like the dollar progress that we're doing here. Just kind of shows you the power of investing even a small amount there for us. Okay, so we did all of those ones, and now we have EXP World. They've been kind of down here for the last month, so we're down about 45 cents on this portfolio, or this stock, I should say. We own 0.104 shares, so this one is actually pretty close to NEO. This is about 10.5% of a share, so let's go ahead and buy this. None of these companies pay out dividends, so we don't have to worry about dividends getting paid out, but for anybody that is buying into stocks that pay out dividends, that dividend actually goes into your Cash App account, which then you can use to buy more stocks with. There's no like automatic reinvestment kind of process there for us, which is a little unfortunate, but totally okay as well too, unless they changed that recently. But right, so that's going to go in for tomorrow, like I said, because I'm doing this after the markets close, which is fine. So we'll have a total investment of $30. Hopefully, this, maybe the stocks go up, maybe they go down. Either way is fine with us. Obviously, if they're down and we're buying more, we're dollar cost averaging, which is always a good thing. That's always a solid thing to do. And then you could see, with our total gains right now and what we put in, we're up about 13% on our money. Pretty solid. Don't worry about the sales there because we're up 40%. I did some tests earlier, so that's why that's kind of there. And then for Bitcoin, I know some people just kind of like to see it just as a quick thing. We're at 605. I was doing some videos about setting Bitcoin, so it should have been like 805. But yeah, just a quick little side note there for those that were maybe interested in seeing my Bitcoin, because I don't have a lot on this one. I do most of my Bitcoin on Cash App, or not Cash App, this is Cash App. I do most of my Bitcoin on Coinbase. I don't have any videos for that here right now, but maybe I'll do it in the future if you guys are interested. But if you're actually interested in just checking out Coinbase, maybe I'll put a link down below. I know they have like a referral thing where it's like you get $10 and I get $10 in Bitcoin. Again, I mean, it helps me out. I wouldn't sell it, so I'll just own more Bitcoin at that point too, and you'll get some Bitcoin too. But yeah, so our portfolio here is growing. We're putting more money in. We're investing. If you guys are following along, I hope you guys are enjoying this process, because I'm actually having a lot of fun just kind of willy-nilly, putting in dollars here and there and just kind of seeing how it's actually impacting us. And maybe what I'll do too is, if we get to a certain growth level in this portfolio, maybe I'll like give some people some money here that have been following for a while. Maybe do like, $20 here, $20 there, or something like that. So if we get like a certain amount of growth, we'll figure some of that kind of stuff out too. But we'll have some fun with this and kind of go from there. And you guys can let me know in the comments too, like, are you guys investing in, some of these kind of stocks? Are you risk adverse, or are you, somebody who's just kind of, going with the flow of things as well too, like I am. So I'd like to hear from you guys in the comments down below, because it's always a really fun thing. But what I also want you to do is actually keep on watching some more investing videos, because I think that can help you out in your investing journey. So check out my next video right over here to keep on watching. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you guys in that next video.